Space is a silent void, devoid of the ability to transmit sound. It may seem exceptionally silent because man cannot turn his ears into radio wave receptors. However, space becomes a continuous symphony, filled with unusual and mesmerizing sounds. Rising only 160 kilometers above the Earth, we find ourselves in a space where sound becomes inaudible due to the insufficient number of particles to transmit sound waves. However, even in this space, there are many other waves. Of particular interest to us are electromagnetic waves, which, unlike sound, do not depend on other particles for transmission. Instead, they propagate on their own with the help of photons. When you watch this video, you are observing a form of electromagnetic radiation in the spectrum of visible light. However, visible light is only a small segment of the full spectrum of electromagnetic radiation, ranging from extremely high-frequency waves to radio waves with wavelengths that can span kilometers. Various observatories explore these diverse wavelengths, with this channel usually focusing on frequencies above the infrared, because they are easy to convert and visualize in visible light. In addition, there are radio observatories, some of which are currently orbiting the Earth, and we'll check out what they pick up in the form you're used to seeing: radio waves at sonic frequencies converted to sound. Being in the Van Allen belt, or its large band of radiation surrounding the planet, you will already start to hear some very interesting sounds. These sounds come from energetic particles in the Earth's plasmasphere, which sway back and forth under the action of the rotation of the Earth's magnetic field. Around the Earth is a plasmasphere containing clusters of ions and electrons that move with the rotation of the Earth and its magnetosphere. The magnetic fields interact with these particles, setting them in motion in a phenomenon known as a plasma wave, just as perturbations in the Earth's oceans produce waves. You perceive these disturbances as radio waves as they pass through you. NASA's Van Allen probes record these phenomena, called chorus waves, which are often heard during dawn on Earth, which explains their prevalence on this side of the planet. A remarkable variety of chorus waves closer to Earth is the Whistler mode plasma wave, reminiscent of the sounds of space battles and laser fire. These phenomena occur in the frigid and more densely populated regions of the plasmasphere, originating from electromagnetic radiation discharged by lightning strikes in the atmosphere. The waves produced by these strikes can reverberate within Earth's magnetic field. Due to the fact that higher frequencies travel more swiftly than lower frequencies, these corridors emit a descending pitch, reminiscent of a whistle receding from the plasmasphere. Conversely, the opposite effect can be observed, a rising tone reminiscent of a dialogue between songbirds. This phenomenon is believed to arise from electrons migrating toward the night side of the Earth. Due to magnetic reconnection in the Earth's magnetic tail, as these electrons collide with the plasma, they transfer energy to it. In a different sector of the plasmasphere, one encounters what is known as hiss waves. These are presumed to be chorus waves that have escaped from the inner plasmasphere. The resulting sound is considerably more ominous and chilling compared to the other sounds we've encountered thus far. Very interesting, isn't it? You can't see waves, but sound adds a new layer of understanding when combined with visualization. If you liked what you saw and heard today, subscribe to the channel. All the best, and see you next time.